We are demanding the servers to be opened. Under Article 35, access to information, we will demand for it in court. The court 35 says any Kenyan can ask for raw data, so we are going to write to get the raw data, the mapping and everything. So we want him under Article 35 to provide the information given to him, and if he doesn't do it, the court will compel him. We are heading to court as early as next week. We have a team that is analyzing, of statisticians who are analyzing the data for us. We have assembled a team of lawyers, and we will challenge these results in the court of law. And we ask our people in Northeastern Province, they keep on producing, they keep on giving birth. We marry 4 wives. And you can hide the tyranny of number through fabricated figures. But I can tell you, in the next 10 years, through the streets of Nairobi and streets of Garissa and Wajir and Mandera and Kisumu and Eldoret, you will see you cannot stop the tyranny of numbers. You can play with the numbers, but you cannot stop physical human beings walking in your streets, and you'll be forced to count them. So we are competing with you in tyranny of numbers. And the game of the tyranny of numbers is not played in offices, in the boardrooms. It's played in the bedroom.
There's no way the government can use our numbers now to say that our numbers is low and our constituency must be scrapped, when the same government actually failed to provide us with security, which resulted in our people migrating from their homes to seek refuge in other counties.
The issue of actually scrapping constituencies will not see the light of day. We are here in Parliament, we make the laws, we make the rules, and no constituency will be scrapped. For example, now our county, which is Elgeyo Marakwet, as my colleagues have said, we have been there for 40 years. We will not sit and watch any of our constituencies being scrapped.